Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to the International Space Station, a remarkable outpost of human ingenuity and collaboration in the cosmos. Let's explore the wonders of the ISS. The ISS is a marvel of engineering, consisting of interconnected modules where astronauts live and work. It orbits Earth at an altitude of approximately 400 kilometers, traveling at a speed of over 28,000 kilometers per hour. The primary purpose of the ISS is scientific research. Astronauts conduct experiments in various fields, including biology, physics, astronomy, and materials science, to improve our understanding of life in space and benefit life on Earth. Living on the ISS presents unique challenges. Astronauts experience microgravity, where objects float freely, requiring adjustments to everyday activities like eating, sleeping, and personal hygiene. Regular exercise is crucial to counteract the effects of prolonged weightlessness. The ISS is a symbol of international cooperation, involving space agencies from around the world, including NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. Crew members from different countries work together seamlessly, transcending political boundaries. Regular resupply missions ensure the ISS remains fully operational. Cargo spacecraft like SpaceX's Dragon and Northrop Grumman's Cygnus deliver food, water, scientific equipment, and other essentials to sustain the crew. Beyond its scientific and technological achievements, the ISS offers a perspective like no other. The cupola module provides panoramic views of our planet, fostering a deeper appreciation for Earth's beauty and fragility. Excited. The International Space Station is a testament to human curiosity, innovation, and cooperation. If you enjoyed this glimpse into life aboard the ISS, please like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming of the stars.